Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Imagine enjoying succulent lobster tail, perfectly cooked, right from your kitchen, in mere minutes. Air frying is a game changer for seafood lovers, transforming frozen or fresh tails into a restaurant-quality dish with incredible speed and surprising ease. It locks in moisture, giving you that delightful tender texture without any fuss. Get ready to impress yourself and your guests with this simple, luxurious meal. First things first, ensure your lobster tails are fully thawed. This prevents uneven cooking and ensures tender results. Next, grab a pair of sturdy kitchen shears and carefully cut down the center of the hard shell, from the top to just before the tail fin. Gently pull the raw meat upwards through the slit, resting it on top of the shell, creating that classic butterfly look. This simple prep ensures even heat distribution and a beautiful presentation. Now for the flavor. Lightly brush the exposed lobster meat with melted butter or a good quality olive oil. This adds richness and helps crisp the edges beautifully. Then, season simply with a sprinkle of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder to really make the flavors pop. Arrange your butterflied tails in a single layer within your air fryer basket, making sure they aren't touching to allow for proper air circulation. Preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, carefully place your seasoned lobster tails into the basket. Cook them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, depending on their size. For tails around 4 to 5 ounces, 5 minutes is often perfect, while larger tails might need closer to 8. Remember to flip them gently about halfway through the cooking time to ensure they cook evenly and get that lovely golden finish on both sides. Your lobster is done when the meat turns opaque white throughout and feels firm to the touch, no longer translucent. For absolute precision, an instant-read thermometer inserted into the thickest part should read 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful not to overcook, as this can make the lobster tough. Remove them promptly from the air fryer and serve piping hot with fresh lemon wedges and a small bowl of extra melted butter for dipping. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, luxurious lobster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.